back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing super well. Thank you so much for your patience with me getting back onto YouTube. I've just had a mini hiatus and I just had to take that time off just to sort of just clear my mind and just sort of, you know, rethink strategy, not strategy, but just get back to basics internally as to my passions and stuff like that for YouTube. And I have realized a few things, and one of them is that I just love making videos. So I find myself missing creating videos, particularly for my YouTube platform, because I have been busy on Instagram and stuff. But I think just YouTube as a whole, I've missed the community. Even though it's been like 2 weeks, it feels like I'm talking about like I've been gone for like a month, but it feels like that when you work online. I wanted to recreate the look I did on my LOBOLA day. I was in such a rush on this day, I can't even lie to you. Like, I was running late. The girl who was designing my dress was running late, and I couldn't wear the dress without doing the I don't know, there were many things that were just like whatevering. So I'm going to recreate the look that I did and probably take a little bit more care as to how I probably would have wanted it to rather turn out. Because I was in a rush, I just slapped on some makeup, but this is ideally me recreating the look with more time on my hands, basically. So I'm just gonna spritz my face with some SMASHBOX primer water. Just prep and prime with the SMASHBOX Photo Finish Primer. Then I'm going to go in with my MAC Strobe Cream, which is something I haven't used in a very long time. I think on a day like the LOBOLA day, I know we can't do gatherings and all that stuff, but like at the moment, but on your LOBOLA day, I think you want to just, I think it's much like your wedding, where you just want to have glowing skin, radiant skin, and just basically amazing skin. So that's why I'm pretty much making sure my base is just ready for the most. I'm taking my Lustre drops from MAC. This is the drops in Bronze NERO, and I'm gonna slather this on. I'm taking my MAC Fluid Line Brow Gel Cream. I'm carving up my brows with my MAC Studio Finish Concealer in NC45. So we're gonna go on and do our eyeshadow first, because we are working with a bold color, and just in case of fallout, want to be able to correct that. So I'm just taking any concealer. I'm using my BOBBI brown concealer. I'm just gonna prep my base. You can use a proper eyeshadow primer, but I feel like concealers work just fine. You don't actually have to go out and buy an eyeshadow primer. If you have it, you have it. I have them, but I always just use my concealer. So I'm using a drugstore palette for this. I don't think I used this on my actual day. I think I used my Dior palette, but I'm just going to use my Dupe Factory palette for this, because there's a really beautiful burgundy here that I think is stunning. So I'm just going to be operating from like these warm like reds and stuff there. On the day I literally used like one color, but today I am going to try a little harder. So we're just gonna go in circular motions around the eye area, around the crease. Now I'm gonna go into my Juvia's Place palette, and I'm gonna go in with the shade called Jezebel. An appropriate shadow name for a holiday, but I'm gonna go with this in my crease area. I just wanna really take this to the rich plum that I want it to be. I'm gonna take a clean-ish brush. I need to wash my brushes. I'm just gonna blend out the edges of the first shadow that we used. So we're gonna do the bottom parts when we do our foundation, when that's all done. So let's get into it. Foundation I'm gonna use today is my Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place makeup. This is just your, like, obviously your holy grail foundation, lasts all day, doesn't mess about, something you can trust to look good in photos, gives you the most amazing flawless coverage as well. So I'm the shade Sandalwood, and I'm using my Sigma Flat Kabuki F80 brush. For concealer, I'm going to take the one that I used on my eyes. This is the BOBBI Brown Instant Full Cover Concealer. It is quite full coverage. I'm setting under my eye with my Sacha Buttercup powder. Bronzing up. You don't want to be shy with bronzer on this day, hence I'm even doing a bit of blush. This is the MAC RAISIN blush. Okay, we're going to continue with the bottom of our eyes. Opening my Dupe Factory palette again. I'm taking my Sigma Exact Blend E32. So I sort of brought down that outer shade, that first shade down here, below my eye, and I'm just gonna drag it down as much as I can. I'm gonna take the same brush and I'm gonna go into my Juvia's Place palette. I'm taking MAC's Gold Deposit and gonna highlight to the moon and back. You have to glow for the gods on this day. You have to. I'm also going to pop some gold deposit in my inner corners. I'm taking my MAC lip pencil in NIGHTMOTH. looking max Lady Be Good. And we're gonna go over with some gloss. So this, you guys, is my finished look that I rocked on my LOBOLA day. Obviously I had my gele on and my outfit on, so I'm sure you saw the pictures. I will drop some here somewhere, I don't know, or you can just check them out on my Instagram. But I do feel like it's still such a look that you can still wear to pretty much any occasion. I've done this look 100 times even before my LOBOLA day, so I think it's just up to the occasion that you need it for. The shadows just matched my dress color, which is why I opted for it, and obviously I opted for a nude lip as well. If I had had more time on the day, I definitely would have liked this result a lot more, but I literally had like 45 minutes to get hair makeup done. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, I'd love it if you subscribed, and I will see you this Thursday.